Dear students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is exponent. Exponents. 2 raised to 5. 2 is multiplied how many times? 5 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 raised to 5 is called the fifth power of 2 or 2 raised to the power 5. The number 2 is the base and 5 is called the exponent or index or power. Exponential notation of rational numbers. 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 can be written as 4 upon 5 raised to the power 3. Why? 4 upon 5 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So we write in the power 3. As it is multiplied 3 times, which is read as 4 upon 5 whole raised to the power 3. Note that 4 upon 5 whole raised to the power 3 equals to 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5, which is equals to 4 multiplied 3 times upon 5 multiplied 3 times. So 4 into 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5 into 5, which is equals to 4 multiplied 3 times. So 4 raised to the power 3 upon 5 multiplied 3 times. So 5 raised to the power 3. In general, if x upon y is a rational number and a is positive integer, then x upon y whole raised to the power a equals to x raised to the power a upon y raised to the power a. When base is positive, 2 upon 7 raised to the power 2. So here we have to multiply 2 upon 7 how many times? 2 times, which is equals to 2 upon 7 into 2 upon 7. So which is equals to 2 multiplied 2 times upon 7 multiplied 2 times. 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. 7 into 7, which is equals to 49. So the answer we got 4 upon 49. As 2 upon 7 is positive, therefore 4 upon 49 is also positive. When base is negative, minus 2 upon 7 the whole raised to the power 2, which is equals to minus 2 upon 7, we have to multiply how many times? 2 times. So minus 2 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 7, which is equals to minus 2 into minus 2 upon 7 into 7, which is equals to minus 2 into minus 2, minus minus becomes plus, 2 2 is a 4 upon 7 into 7, which is equals to 49. Minus 2 upon 7 whole raised to the power 3. So we have to multiply minus 2 upon 7 how many times? 3 times. So minus 2 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 7, which is equals to minus 2 multiplied 3 times upon 7 multiplied 3 times, which is equals to minus 2 into minus 2, which is plus 4 into minus 2, which is minus 8 upon 7 7 is 49 into 7, which is 343. So minus 8 upon 343. So minus 2 upon 7 the whole raised to the power 2 is positive as the exponent is even, and minus 2 upon 7 the whole raised to the power 3 is negative as the exponent is odd. Express 27 upon 64 and minus 8 upon 27 has the powers of rational numbers. So 27 upon 64 can be written as 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 upon 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, which is equals to 3 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. Why? Because 3 is multiplied 3 times and 4 is also multiplied 3 times. So the power is 3, which is equals to, now here 3 raised to the power 3 and here 4 is to the power 3. So I can write 3 upon 4 the whole raised to the power 3, and minus 8 upon 27, which is equals to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That's minus 2 into minus 2, which is plus 4 into minus 2, which is minus 8 upon 3 into 3 into 3. So which is equals to 27. So which is equals to minus 2 raised to the power 3 upon 3 raised to the power 3. As minus 2 is multiplied 3 times and 3 is also multiplied 3 times. So the power is 3, which is equals to minus 2 upon 3, the whole raised to the power 3. So students, I hope you all have understood the concept of exponent. So there is a small test based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.